Step-by-step instructions to create a filter in Intune. Creating filters in Intune allows you to apply specific policies or configurations to targeted devices or apps. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a filter, followed by an example to filter devices based on their manufacturer. Step-by-step instructions 1. Navigate to Filters in Intune. Log into the Intune portal. Go to Tenant Administration in the left-hand menu. Click on Filters. 2. Create a new filter. Click the Create button. Choose the type of filter you want to create, Managed Devices or Managed Apps. For this example, select Managed Devices. 3. Set filter details. Enter a name for the filter, e.g., Acme Devices Filter. Provide a description, e.g., Filter for all devices manufactured by Acme. Select the platform the filter will apply to, e.g., Windows, iOS, Android. Click Next to proceed. 4. Define the filter rules. On the Rules screen, use the Rule Builder to add conditions for your filter. Click Add Condition. Set property to the desired attribute, e.g., Manufacturer. Set operator to equals. Enter the value as Acme, or the manufacturer you want to filter. Optionally, click Edit next to Rule Syntax if you prefer to manually adjust the rule. 5. Preview the filter. Click the Preview button to see which devices meet the filter criteria. Review the list of devices to ensure the filter is correctly configured. 6. Assign scope tags, optional. If applicable, select any scope tags you want to apply. Click Next to skip this step if not needed. 7. Review and create the filter. Review all the settings to ensure they are correct. Click Create to finalize the filter. Example: creating a filter for Acme devices.